I am going over the multiple choice section of the practice test, page 26 through 27. I'm going over 21 through 25, which are the probability problems. Problem 21 says, what is the probability of spinning an even number on your first spin and a multiple of 4 on your second spin? So the fact that you're doing 2 spins means that this is an independent probability. So and 2 events means multiply. So I'm going to find the probability of an even number, and I'm going to multiply it by the probability of a multiple of 4. So on this spinner, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 8 even numbers, and my multiples of 4 are 4 and 8. So it's like 4, 8, 12, 16, but 4 and 8 are the only 2 on this spinner. So 2 numbers out of 8. So what this multiplies to, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 8 is 64, and that reduces to 1/8. So my answer here is B, 1/8. Baseball or football. So I'm going to highlight my baseball people. I'm going to highlight my football people. There is no overlap there. So with the or, I don't have to worry about subtraction. It's just addition. So 36 out of 100 total people like baseball, and 33 out of 100 total people like football. I'm using a denominator of 100 because there's no given line. So that's going to make 69 out of 100 people. So my answer for this one would be C. Basketball or female. So I'm going to highlight my basketball people. I'm going to highlight my female people, and you can see that when I do that, there is physically an overlap between my 2 colors. So or is going to mean add, but also subtract the overlap. So my basketball people make up a total of 31 out of 100 people, plus my females make up 52 out of the 100. But I have to subtract where basketball meets female, and that's 16 total people. So I'm subtracting the overlap. So 31 plus 52 minus 16 is 67 out of 100. And this is option D. Probability of football given male. So I'm going to focus in on the second group of people, which is the males. So I'm only using numbers from the male column. So my total then would be 48. And of those 48 people, 20 of them like football. So 20 out of 48, and then I'm just going to see if that fraction reduces, and it does, to 5/12. So this answer would be B. Probability of not baseball. So that means basketball or football, right? Not including the 36 people who like baseball. So 31 out of 100 people like basketball, and 33 out of 100 people like football. So that makes up a total of 64 out of 100 people. And that fraction reduces to 16 out of 25. So this answer is going to be B. So our answers for these are 21B, 22C, 23D, 24B, 25B.